If you do this, that will happen. If you do this, those are God's principles. There are 3 categories of people in this world. There's category number 1, people that know God as a person and don't know his principles. Category number 2, people that know the principles of God and don't know God as a person. Category number 3, people that know God as a person and know his principles. Those are the 3 categories. Examples of them. People that know God as a person and don't know his principles are the people that will know God, serve God, but when you see them, you don't want to be like them. You don't want to follow them because they are not complete, they are not balanced. Especially in the area of finances and how to run life. Because how to run life needs principles. And they don't know the principles. They just know God, they love God. They pray all night, they cast out devils. They pray against witches and wizards. They are hot. Witches and wizards cannot touch them. But they are not making any impact in this world because they don't understand the principles of God. Do you understand? Now, then the last part, the second part are people that know the principles of God. Those are, you see people like them, Mark Zuckerberg, the iPhone, the Steve Jobs. They say there's no God, but they are using God's principle to put things on ground. And they are affecting the world. They just know God's principle. That you see people, astrologers, they will go to the moon, go to the sun and come back. They don't fast and pray. They don't speak in tongues. They know God's principles. Then there's a third set. People like the Apostle Joshua Selman. They know the person of God and they know the principles of God. So they are balanced. They can teach you anything. Even though we know that no man knows everything. But because they know God and they know his principles, they can teach you God and they can teach you the principles. They are not broke in secular things, in the world things system. They are not broke. In the things of God, they are not broke. You see people like the Pastor Chris, people like Daddy Oyedepo, people like Daddy Adeboye, people like Pastor Arumo Sai, Apostle Michael Rokbo, Dr. Paul Eneche. You see all these people? They are people like they are also businessmen. People like the Bedamina. They are businessmen that they are not pastors, so that know God and know his principle. Do you understand? Me, I'm a small boy. Where some of them are. I'm a small boy. I'm talking about business people that are doing business. You will never know that these ones they know the person of God, they are Holy Ghost. But you think that, oh, he's making money. But the day they sit you down and I tell you about Jesus, I'm telling you about the word of God, you ask yourself that you thought you knew something, you don't know anything. Do you understand? Yeah, so with this viewpoint of mine, we have come to the end of this class. So you guys go and sleep. Joy, you have been feeling sleepy. Chase Jamima and this girl from their room and sleep. Because if you sleep, I can and this guy, they will be discussing. Chase them, let them go and stroll. You go and join, collect more baby, more video hotel. I hope you have not offered recording, no? You don't offer? Okay, see the video camera, see they go on through, Abby. And that's good, that's good. You see, these are professionals. They don't just shut down when you finish. They know what they are doing. It's a privilege. Yeah, because I'm excellent. That's right. So it's a privilege to sit down under me. When you want to marry, I'm the one that will interview your husband. Please, I want to marry you, please. Oh. Don't interview in such a way that any husband or any of your husband, if they tire you, if it's not passed my exam, which but? We're entitled to 5 people for paying for the hall. There is prophecy over me. I cannot fail my generation.